morning, rail fans. It is Sunday, December 12th. Got about 12 more shopping days till the big day comes, so hope you're out there making the best of them if you're not already done. Got a pretty good video coming for you today. We've got a Q512. This one's from November 28th. On this day, Q512 came past us at the Amke Depot up in Madison, Tennessee, right where the rails split for the Henderson and the mainline subdivisions. It had 7 locomotives. At least 3 or 4 of them were powered and on. A couple trailing in the back. Start out with 3 AC44 CWs, all in YN2 paint schemes. Going to have CSX 64, 338, 388. Then we get an ST40-3. CSX 4286 in the YN3B scheme, and it's going to be followed by an ES44AC, also in the YN3B 887. Following them is a couple of unique locomotives that I certainly didn't expect to see on this day. We're going to have PSCC 7579. It's a GP10, a rebuilt GP10. And then behind that is WCKR 1298. It's a SW1500. Both of these locomotives, the GP10 was originally built as a GP9, delivered in 1957 to the Pennsylvania Railroad. Later became Conrail, then moved around from a few local railroads and short lines and leasing companies, and is currently owned by the Pennsylvania and Southern Railway. From what I can see on their website, they have a couple of short lines that they run in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And then the 1298, it's in a red and black paint scheme. One thing you're going to notice about that is that the 1298 number on the side is definitely in the Canadian Pacific font. And so in doing some research, it was part of the Canadian Pacific fleet in the 2000s. It dates itself back to 1967. Has belonged to various railroads for a short time, was part of Canadian Pacific. It most recently, the WCKR reporting marks are of the Wolf Creek Railroad, which was a large storage facility and switching complex based in Milan, Tennessee. Both the Wolf Creek Railroad and the Pennsylvania Southern Railway are owned by the Rail Enterprise Group. So I'm wondering and guessing that maybe that GP10 was sitting down in Milan as well, being used to help out that facility. From current web search I can do, I found the facility on Google Maps. It's a pretty interesting ex-military base looking type facility. I don't see any current mention of Wolf Creek Railway or Railroad running that operation anymore. So maybe they've lost the contract or shut that facility down, and that's why these locomotives were being pulled back north. They might be going somewhere for service, or maybe headed back to Pennsylvania. Not really sure, but definitely didn't expect to see them. So pretty cool, pretty interesting, pretty unique units, unique paint schemes. We've got drone footage of this. Didn't expect to see them. Was just using the drone on this day just to use it some. But pretty happy that we got both drone footage and ground footage of it, so we'll play both. Hope you guys enjoy the video. As always, if you like it, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and check out the membership options on the join link down below. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.